In ancient Egypt, epileptic seizures were seen as visits from the gods, a mystical experience that connected the afflicted to the divine. However, during the Middle Ages, the same seizures could lead to far more dangerous consequences. Epilepsy was often misunderstood and associated with demonic possessions, putting those who suffered from it at risk of being condemned and even burned at the stake. Amidst this dark period, Saint Valentine emerged as the patron saint of epileptics, offering hope and spiritual protection to those battling the condition. His legacy stands as a reminder of compassion and the importance of understanding medical conditions beyond superstition. I don't believe in witches or demons, but I do believe you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Hello again, EEG enthusiast. The idea today is the following. If you have a PDF file with many tables with variables from EEG, let's say 40 tables, you have to have this structure: space name, space table, one page for table, space above, name, space below, one table, and so on. Is a PDF from one patient. And you have, let's say, 1,000 patients. All PDFs must have the same structure because computers are naive. If you don't explain exactly what you want and you give them the structure, they won't be capable of doing their job. Okay? The same structure for all tables. Well, and then we want to have this because it makes our work, our statistical work, easier in the future. Let's see. Here. We want to have this: the title, the heads, and the structure of the table using the name of the PDF here: patient 1, patient 2, patient 3, patient 1000. That's the idea, to make all tabs identical, because then we can compare statistically tabs. How to do that? I will close this and I will delete. Let's see if I can delete here. Okay, delete it. First of all, you must launch Jupyter Notebook. I've told how to do so in previous videos. Let's open just to see the structure of this BET. Launch Jupyter. Launch, open, call, conda, etc., etc. And here I have the folder where Jupyter Notebook will open. My notebook. Okay. When we click here, launch, it will automatically open the Jupyter. Then you go to my GitHub site, and there you will find this file, 009 patients PDF with many tables in the same Excel. Click on it. It will open. You download. You download to where? You download to the folder where Jupyter is opened. In my case, let's see again, just to remember, my notebooks. Here, my notebooks. And inside this folder, EEG Geeks, I will not import this because it's already there. Okay, but you shows your folder, shows the space where you want this file, and click save. I will cancel because it's already here. You see, I can't, it's not necessary. Cancel. And then you go to Jupyter Notebook. You find it where you download it. You have to do just this. Then we have the code here. You click to activate this cell. Shift Enter. It will ask for the folder where you insert all your PDFs. That's another thing important. You must insert all PDFs in the same folder, and you tell the app which folder is that. Just this. And now you say the name of the Excel file. Let's say my thesis, and click OK. Justice. Let's go back to here. Just waiting for it to finish the process because it takes some time to get each table from each PDF and import it to Excel. Processing complete. All results saved in one Excel file in this folder. Let's see if it's true. Here, my thesis. Okay, when we open, we have the name of the table. We have the heads of the table. Here, all the tables. Here, number 2, Excel 3, patient 1000, and so on. This is important because as you have the same structure in each PDF and the same structure is imported here, all the cells have relatively the same value. For instance, amplitude, cell E, fragment, FP1 is the same for all. Then you can compare normals with normals, patients with patients, patients with normals, etc. Okay? That's all for now. Thank you for your viewing.